It's finally here, one tool to rule them all. And this is the eBay tool where you can actually see your competitors' sales on a daily, weekly, monthly basis for completely free. It's the new eBay tool, and you can see the sales data, right? It's awesome because it's free, and it just came out. I hope it stays free, and I'm pretty sure it will. It's by Zig Analytics, and they have pretty much the most powerful tool when you're doing product research on eBay, in my professional opinion, from what I've seen. But you can just get it, and it's going to be right in the description below, and then you can just download it, and then you're going to have that right here. You can just pin it, and then all you have to do is just go and find an item. And let's just say, let's do some Legos. And let's just say we were going to yard sales, and we want to be in the Lego business now. We want to make money selling Legos just like these guys do. Now, what we can do is it automatically shows, you can see view sold history, analyze competitor. These are the two buttons that it adds. Nothing crazy, but you click view sold history, and right from the get, I don't know how it does it, but it looks like you can actually see the sold history right here. 7 days, they've got 25 sales. 14 days, 52 sales. 30 days, 117 sales. So if they're selling it at $39.99 and they had 117 sales, they're making a pretty good amount of money. So 50, 100, and we're multiplying that by 50. So we're talking $5,000 or more for sure per month. So not bad off of one item. And it's just a bulk Lego lot, 5-pound box of just random parts. Pretty cool. Now we can also look at some different items, and then we can go, let's see, Pokemon. I'm just going to go broad here. But when you're just searching, you're like, oh, how much money is this product making? This is a great opportunity. So I'm going to open up this one. Oh my gosh, 1,029 sold. Who? 10,000 sold. Okay, let's just see. And I'm sure a lot of these Pokemon cards, what I've noticed is you can get them from like Costco if you have like a membership. So I actually clicked Analyze Competitors instead. So there's another button that says Analyze Competitor. And what it does is I guess it shows you a list of their competitors. And these look like they're indirect competitors. So it looks like it's the sleeves, which is pretty cool. And that's a great idea. Oh, there it is. Magic the Gathering. This is where you can get instant ideas, right? You find like a pretty good selling product. You click, you use the Zig Analytics free Chrome extension tool, and then it pretty much lets you see all this. I have so many tabs open. But let's also see what else it does. It says save to watch list. So you can actually save it to your own little watch list here. And it's showing the 30-day sales and the total sold of every single product here. So I don't have to go one at a time. I'm able to just see it in real time. And it automatically filters it from the largest amount of sales to the lowest amount of sales. So obviously, whoever's selling these sleeves is making a significant amount of money as well. And then we can click this button. I don't know what this does. This one takes us to the actual listing. 6 sold today. And then of course we can view the sold history. In the last 7 days, 50 sold. And it does match up pretty well. If we got 6 sold today, right? And it's, as of making this video, it's a Thursday. Most people are going to be going towards the weekend, getting their paycheck and willing to spend more money. I would say 50 sales a day, 50 sales a week is pretty accurate to me. It might be a little bit higher, but I'd rather it be lower than higher at the end of the day. Now we've got some more Pokemon cards. We can analyze the competitor. I'm going to do view sold history again. And it says and it even says the update date. So last time it was updated, and this must be a brand new listing because they got 160 sold, 160, 160 total sold. So maybe they ran out of stock, got back in stock, right? And it has the actual name of the seller. And we can analyze. I want to see where this takes us before I click on it. Yeah, it takes us. This is all on eBay. So I'm just so surprised that Zig Analytics isn't even pushing you. This is all free. I mean, this data is completely invaluable. Well, completely valuable. And I think they're doing it for free because they are offering a product research tool. So if you wanted something that's like more powerful and automated, helping you find these products, they do have a tool that you can use online. I mean, it just shows how much they actually care about their customer. Not a lot of people put so much effort into a tool and launch it for free. And you can start their trial for $1. Again, the link should be in the description to go to ziganalytics.com and download the Chrome extension. I'm not even signed in and I'm using the Chrome extension. So it's not like you even need an account. But if you wanted to have access to their insane dashboard, because obviously they know what they're doing, you can definitely sign up for that. And it's $1 because they don't want, there's been a lot of scammers and hackers if you just don't charge anything. So $1 kind of validates, and that way you're not having random bots going on your website. But that's it in general. I'm very surprised. I'm extremely happy that they have done this. I'm going to give them a big thank you. If you reach out to them, I would just pay them $1 just to give them a thank you, because once you start using this tool, you're going to be like, this is worth way more than $1 right off the get. How fast it works. Just say big thank you to the Zig Analytics. And I'm EHP Consulting Group, Josh, here to help. If you need any help selling on eBay, Amazon, Walmart, we specialize in all three. Links right in the description if you need help. Signing out.